charge into danger. No guarantees of safe places. No one can be trusted. Everyone is a suspect, and all the money's worthless. The town is trite and exaggerated. The food is turning, and the water's fucking poison. That is right in your teeth, right out of your head. Side and hearing quickly faded. Now your guts expanded. Your hair are just cheating. The shores are opening and the cats are spreading. And the antibiotics aren't working. All the drugs just strangely sobering. The skeletons in your closet have opened the door and they've started talking. Just like Miami, fucking Miami. Shock, shock land for the theater. Our hope has been abandoned, like violence drifting into the ocean. Just like Miami, fucking Miami. Shock, shock land for the theater. Our hope has been abandoned, like violence drifting into the ocean. They're in your room while you're sleeping. They're in your car behind the seat waiting. All the rifle sights are on the back of your head. They're slipping it in your drink when you're not looking. And they're selling it to you as swords. It's every other word in movies and songs. Oh, the public is buying. It's business as usual, and the business is capitalizing. Own your fear, your greed, your perversions and vices. They say you're guilty, got the evidence to prove it. Mistakes are obvious, the vaults are glaring. The plane is on fire, the fucking ship is sinking.